Hey everyone, and welcome back to VFXY once again. So in today's video we are not going to see any kind of nuke tutorial, any kind of Unreal tutorial, any kind of Mocha tutorial. But today is a very big day for VFXY as I am going to do some of the biggest announcement on VFXY channel. It was 2016 when I started this channel, and probably we are closing to 7 years. And in that particular 7 years, I have created more than 250 videos plus live streams. And every time I'm going to upload any kind of video, any tutorial video or any kind of live streaming, there are multiple comments. Please provide footages. Please provide footages. Please give us footages for practice. Previously, I have tried many things, like recently I posted a video that the how we can download my footages, but it didn't work well. So again, it's the same thing. Link expired, Paytm link expired, UPI is not working. I am not able to do the automation kind of stuff where you can go and you can pay the amount and you can directly download the footages. So I was struggling on that. So meanwhile, from last 1.5 year, I am working something, and finally it came out very beautiful, and I think to share with you. Yes, I got a solution for footages kind of stuff, so that when I'm going to upload any kind of video, you can practice along, right? Yes. So ज़्यादा delay नहीं करते हैं, and let's directly jump to today's topic. What is the announcement, biggest announcement, right? So let's jump to screen and see what we have did in VFXY. Okay, yes, as you can see on screen, our website is working pretty fine. A long back, I have announced that I'm working on my website, but due to some reason, I was not able to launch it. But today, finally, I'm going to launch it. Yes, and I'm going to take you through my website, and in fact, our website, where you will get benefited whenever I'm going to upload any kind of video, right? So it's a pretty simple, straightforward website. So here you can find some of my work or some of VFXY work. Probably you are seeing that. And to be very frank, still website having some glitches, so we are currently rectifying it, but don't worry, it's working pretty fine, right? I'll show you both on website and mobile screen as well, right? So this is something whenever you are going to log in, www.vfxvibe.com, this page will open. After that page, new arrivals. Yes, and as you can see in new arrivals, you have option to purchase any kind of stuff like scans or the elements which I am using in that particular tutorial, right? Although not every tutorial's elements or every tutorial's data is available currently, but I am uploading on a daily basis. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me, because whenever I'm going to upload any kind of stuff, any kind of data on our website, I'm going to post it on Instagram, so you'll come to know the new assets has been uploaded, right? As I promised, it won't be very expensive, right? So as you can see, 59 rupees, 99 rupees, 63 rupees, 139 rupees, it's nothing. And in that particular video, I'm going to show you how you can download it live, right? So let me show you a few more things. If I'm going to hit next, so you will come to this page, right? And here you can start doing shorting. We'll have one glitch. When you are going to click on that, nothing will be visible. But as you are going to move down your cursor, it will show some kind of filtering. So you have to go to short by latest. So as I'm going to upload any kind of latest video, you'll come to know this video is latest now, right? So as you can see, yes. And few of them might be you can found out of stock. Yes, this video is out of stock due to some XYZ reason, but as soon as it will be live, I'm going to announce it on Instagram as well, right? So yes, I have added few premium contents as well, but in premium contents, as you can see, it's 999 only, right? So I'm not going to make it too expensive so no one can afford it, but yes, I'm going to pay little extra for my premium contents, and that premium content, you know how much time it takes to create any kind of premium contents. So hope you'll understand, but this is again out of stock for now. But yes, as you can see, I have uploaded many videos, almost 15-20 videos I have uploaded, but daily I'm going to update it, to be very frank, right? Now the biggest thing, how I can download it, right? It's a very commercial kind of website, so you can go and you can directly click on purchase, right? So there will be one glitch over here as well, but don't worry. So you have to click over here and type name. So as you are going to type, it won't show like something like that, Ashish, right? So when you are going to click outside, nothing will be visible, but as you are going to move your cursor, why it's happening? Because the background color and the text color is white, right? So that's why it's not visual. Probably by today evening we are going to resolve it, right? So you have to put your first name, you have to put your last name, your phone number and your email ID, right? These all four information is very important, because I'm going to send you the purchase detail on your email ID and phone number as well, right? Apart from that, if you want any additional information you want to add, you can do it, right? After filling all the details, just you have to click on checkout, and after checkout you have to click on continue to delivery. So again, continue to payment, and what will happen, you need to select which payment method you are going to use, right? In PayU you can only use credit card, debit card and net banking, but I won't recommend to use it. Just use PayU money, this one, second one. So in this particular thing, you can use your Visa, matlab credit card, MasterCard, debit card, net banking and UPI as well. So I'm going to select this and place order. So what will happen? It will bring me to this page where you can select whether you're using credit card or net banking or wallet or UPI. I'm going to show you UPI as well. So in UPI, you have Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem, Paytm, Amazon Pay, WhatsApp, Jupiter, Slice, anything. So I'm going to use my Google Pay and I'm going to type my UPI ID, this one, and you have to verify it. Once it is verified, then what you have to do, just you have to click on proceed. What will happen? A message will come to your UPI, whether it is Google Pay or Paytm or whatever. So what you have to do, just you have to go to your UPI, and then I'm doing it. So what you have to do, just you have to go to your UPI, something like that, and you have to pay it, right? So I'm paying it, and once this is done, once payment is done, what will happen, your pays will come something like that. Thank you for shopping with us, your account has been charged and your transaction is successful, we will be processing your order soon. And here you will have a download option. You have to click on assets or probably name of that particular video, and what will happen, your assets will start downloading. So I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, I have downloaded it. It starts downloading, and once this is done, so I'll go to stop. Once this is done, just you have to go and you have to start using your file. Isn't it good? So this is something you can do on your browser. So if you have to use your phone, okay, so here I'm on my phone, and as you can see, my website is open and it's pretty much accessible, it's not lagging, nothing. So same way you have to go to next, might be you can go over next, and as you can see, filtering method, there is no problem in mobile, but there is a glitch on PC or laptop. So I'm going to select by latest, right? So here suppose that I'm going to buy this matching color in 2 minutes. So what I have to do, I have to just click on purchase, and here I have to add my name. As you can see over here, there is no problem. In phone, I'm going to type it, and after that what I have to do, continue to delivery, continue to payment, one more time, place order. So here you can select how you want to pay. So suppose that I'm going to use my Google Pay, and yes, same way you will get a message, and I'm going to pay it, and payment has been done. So automatically will get back to your payment thing, and here you will have option how to match color in 2 minutes, right? Zip file, just you have to click it, and as you can see, your downloading has been started. Once the download has been finished, you can start using that particular file. So I hope this will help you to work along with me whenever you are going to watch my tutorial. You are going to work along with me step by step. Please support me, or please support your channel, please support VFXY, so that I can do something like this. Whatever I am doing, it might be a help, it might be a gesture to our community, that I'm doing something, right? So please help, please consider visit our website, and if you think any data you want, just go and just purchase it. Again, I'm saying, if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, as anytime I'm going to upload any new asset to our website, you will have notification and you can directly go to your website and you can download it. So with this said, I'm hoping you like it. Please don't forget to comment down below that what you're thinking on launching VFXY website. With this said, this is VFXY signing off. Have a good day.